Alright, here's another quick video. Previous video I was replacing the wiper seals and the gaskets on the slide out. Again, this is just a good preventative maintenance to do on these things after a couple years. I said to replace the top wiper seal. It was completely gone. I'll show you what it looked like. This thing was just shredded, just gone, and it was making no contact with the slide out. So you can imagine water getting in when it rained. The side, the side gaskets, the top one I've already put on, it was completely ripped. I'll show you. And again, this is just another, when this slide out is closed, this is supposed to seal up against the actual camper itself. And as you can see, it's split, not making a good contact at all. So with that being bad and the wiper seal being bad, it was, when it was raining with this open, water was getting in. So of course, you take it to a camper place, they're going to charge you hundreds of dollars. It's for something that's so simple to do. Now these gaskets right here, I'll show you, I've already replaced the top one and the side one already with new ones. Now this came in, I think I ordered this in 30 foot of it. So it's very simple to change. What you're going to do is, you've got these grooves that it slides in right here, and you've got a screw down here at the bottom, and you've got a screw up top. And you're going to take these two screws out. You don't have to take the side ones out, just this one right here on the edge. It just goes through the gasket. And that's going to release this, so you can slide it down. I'm going to pause this for just a second to get the top one. Alright, and now that we've got those two screws, you can take them all the way out or just loosen them, it doesn't matter. This is going to release this, and this gasket is going to slide out of that channel. You're going to slide it all the way out. You've got the new one here. As you can see, again, it's got, sorry about that, it's got the groove right here. That's going to fit into that groove and actual slide out. Just get it started. You're going to feed it all the way up. You're going to slide it until it goes all the way to the top. And it will actually stop up there. It butts up against the top one. And make sure you get at the top, make sure there's no debris in that channel, keeping it from going to the top. I already done that. Once you get all the way top, you're going to have access to, you can see right here, or you're going to have excess, I'm sorry, not access, but you're going to have excess gasket, and all you're going to do is trim that off. What I would recommend doing is going ahead and putting the screws back in. That's just going to help hold that gasket in place when you are cutting. I'm going to go up the ladder here. Again, most of these screws are, 1/4 inch head. They are standard. And you're going to screw that in. Again, that just secures that in because it goes in through the gasket. Button up this bottom one. Alright, and then, like I said, you've got, you'll see where it comes down here at the bottom. You can use a razor knife, scissors, whatever you want to use. Cut that off right there, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, don't feel free to just reach out, answer whatever I can. I hope this helps somebody and saving them some money. Thanks.